Welcome to Vortex Garage. In a quick video here, we're going to show you how to replace all the windshield wiper inserts on a 5th gen Honda CR-V, this one being a 2018. Now the nice thing about Honda, as long as the arms and the beams are in good shape, all you have to purchase are the wiper inserts. In fact, we'll post a link to a seller on eBay, a dealer in Maryland, who sells them in a pack, so you don't have to worry. It's one click and you get all 3 of them. But we'll also post the part numbers. Now let's go ahead and show you how to get these out and get them replaced. Let's start with this one on the driver's side. We're just going to grab the arm and we're going to pull it up against the spring, and it'll get a natural spot where it'll stop and it'll stay up. Now we can go ahead and remove the insert. Now if you want to, you can remove the arm. There's a little clip under here. You just push that in and pull down, and you can remove the whole thing. However, for our purposes, we're going to try to leave them on because you don't really need to do that step. When you go to reinstall them though, you just get this lined up, push it until it clicks. So what we're zoomed in on is the top end of that wiper arm that was put up, because we're going to go ahead and pull the insert out and we wanted to try to zoom in and show you. So what you're going to do is grab the top piece and hold it, grab the blade insert and push it down, and then pull it back up while pulling it towards you. The idea is you want to get it past this plastic piece on the end cap, and then you can simply pull out the insert. Now these are all different sizes, so go to your pack and find the right one, and then you're going to take it and feed it through. And when you get to the end, pull it down until it falls in and back like that, and then inspect the whole arm and the blade should be in. So we'll come in and inspect. Everything looks good. We'll go ahead and lay that wiper down and we'll move on to the next one. Same for the next one, just simply lift it up. We'll do a wider angle on this one, but it's essentially the same, and it shows you why, if your wipers are in good condition otherwise, you don't have to remove the beams. So just push down, grab the end, pull towards you, pull it out. Next, grab your new one, get it started. Once you get it started, just carefully pull it down. All right, once you've pulled it down, then you just push this end piece so it goes below this plastic clip and let it slide back in. All right, now for the back wiper, it's a little bit different. This one doesn't have the same beam style. So what you have here is a blade within a kind of classic looking wiper arm, and it does have a metal strip. So we're going to have to transfer those metal strips to the new one. But don't worry, this is pretty simple. Okay, we're going to go ahead and kind of do much the same. We're going to just pull this out. Just to give you an idea how simple, you literally just grab it, pull it away from the arm, and out. I'm doing that one-handed while I hold the camera. All right, then we'll go ahead and pull this out. And then these metal strips just come right out the side. What you're going to want to do is take your new blade, and there's a spot on the side. In this spot in the side, you're just going to take that metal piece and you're going to fit it in and work your way down. You'll do the other side the same way. Okay, now don't worry if they try to pop out. So use your fingers to keep them held in there. Once they're in these arms, everything will be good. So then you'll go ahead and in the channel just below where the metal beams go, you'll go ahead and line up and get it slid into the arm. And then you'll just slowly work your way around. You have 4 spots, 1, 2, 3, 4, to get the wiper blade in. Make sure the metal piece is still in there. Push it in. And then make sure either end of the blade is within the confines of the wiper itself. Arm down, you're good to go. So as you can see, replacing the wiper blade inserts on your 5th gen CRV is super simple. If you like this, drop us a like and a subscribe because we'll certainly have more here on Vortex Garage.